now or never.
Jolali,
Now or never.
Jolali,
Now or never.
James, no majority for farm. Amen.
James, he's born out of the 7 children of his parents. His father, Philip, his mother, received him, welcomed him into this world on a bright Tuesday morning, May 25th, 2004, after an extraordinary year-long journey in the womb. This unique entry into life earned him the name Lutterodt, signifying we, and marked the beginning of James' remarkable but tragically brief journey on this earth. From an early age, James displayed an insatiable thirst for knowledge and a commitment to achieving academic distinction. His journey towards academic excellence began at Newland Schools in Sherman, where he consistently scored distinctions and achieved excellence in various subjects, with a particular focus on mathematics and science. James' passion for learning and exceptional academic performance led to an extraordinary achievement. He sat for the Basic Education Certificate Examination (BCE) while still in junior high school too. His outstanding results opened the doors to his next educational adventure, earning him admission into Keta Senior High Technical School, Keta School. During his time at Keta School, James continued to shine as a dedicated student, particularly excelling in the field of mathematics and science. His enthusiasm for these subjects was infectious, and his brilliance did not go unnoticed. In senior high school too, he decided to challenge himself further and wrote the Lutterodt exams, achieving brilliant results. Despite this achievement, he chose not to immediately pursue university education that year. Instead, he was selected to join the school's prestigious science and maths team. His dedication and brilliant performance as part of the team earned him recognition and accolades. Following their remarkable performance, James gained admission to the University of Ghana, where he excelled and reached level 200 of his program, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. In 2020, James took the SAT exams and achieved outstanding results, though he fell short of securing a full scholarship. Undaunted by this setback, he persevered in his pursuit of excellence. The following year, in 2022, he retook the SAT exams and achieved remarkable success, ultimately earning a full scholarship to study at Howard University. He did not only secure the scholarship he had dreamed of, but also